Let me tell you a story. Nowadays, Malaysia struggles with waste management, including concerns about plastic waste imports, rising landfill capacity issues, and efforts to promote sustainable solutions like waste-to-energy plants and a nationwide single-use plastic ban by 2026. As for today, Malaysians generate 39,078 tons of waste daily, the equivalent of 25 Petronas Twin Tower worth of trash.
2 weeks later.
Hi everybody, my name is Tan Yu and I am from SMJK Gate Hua 2. Today, I will introduce my newest product, the Citraclean Cleaner. What are the functions of the cleaner, you ask? This cleaner combines natural ingredients to create a powerful, eco-friendly cleaning solution. It has a lot of function and benefit. First and foremost, deep cleaning and degreasing. Citric acid from orange peel, lemon break down grease and grime and stain on surface like kitchen counter, stove tops, and glass. It is efficient on soap scrub, hard water deposit, and oil residue. Secondly, natural disinfection. Lemon has antibacterial property, killing bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella. Orange peel extracts contain D-limonene, a natural solvent that helps dissolve germs and molds. Thirdly, gentle yet effective. Aloe vera adds a non-toxic element, making it safe for sensitive surfaces, for example, stainless steel and skin, unlike harsh chemicals that are found in some store-bought cleaner. Aloe vera also reduces acidic harshness of lemon while maintaining cleaning power. Fourthly, deodorizing. Our cleaner can neutralize odors such as fish smell, garbage bin with the help of fresh citric scent of orange peels and lemon. Fifthly, polishing and shining. Aloe vera helps buff surfaces, leaving stain-free shine on mirrors, chromes, and tiles. Sixthly, eco-friendly benefit. Our cleaner is biodegradable and free from phosphate, chlorine, or artificial dyes. Our cleaner also helps repurpose food waste like orange peel into a useful product. Seventhly, our skin will be safe when using the cleaner. Aloe vera smooths the skin, making it safer for hand-washed items compared to chemical detergent. The function of our cleaner is to produce a homemade natural cleaner from kitchen waste. So, we can save money by creating the cleaner ourselves. Secondly, to reduce chemical use in daily cleaning. It is because store-bought cleaner contain a lot of harmful chemicals such as phosphate, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, and certain preservatives. Last but not least, to promote recycling and natural cleaning habits. Our homemade cleaner only uses natural material and can help to reduce the rubbish on earth.
Let me show you the ways to use this cleaner. The kitchen counter is oily. Spray the cleaner on the surface and rub it with a cloth. Done. Next, spray it on the oily bowl and use a sponge to clean it off and wash it with water. It's easy and simple. Thanks for watching. I really recommend this cleaner because it is easy to make at home, eco-friendly and cheap.